This is like day 2, day 3 of the Isokern. I had a great video going last time. Camera fell over, so I missed a good portion of me stacking up. But here we are today, and I'm hoping to finish it off. Wish me luck. I don't know if you can tell, but I got some shins up there because I'm about maybe a ½ inch to 5/8, maybe 3/4 level on this side. Partially my fault, partially the Isokern. Just didn't align properly. As much as I tried to make it level, it didn't work. But first time doing it, so not turned out too bad. That's it. I did it. Now I just have to build the chase out or frame the chase out. And then it's time to finish this thing and make it look beautiful.